My name is Suchitra Sharma. I hail from village Salad of Chamor district of JNK UT. I have completed my graduation from Government Gandhi Memorial Science College, Jammu. My interests include watching web series and listening and reciting karaks.
Listening NS?
Listening and reciting karaks.
Karaks.
Yes, sir.
What is Karak?
Sir, these are verses penned by some lyricists during the Bhakti period. They glorify the rule of victorious warriors, societal setup of that time, and religious faith of people.
Which is your favorite Karak?
Sir, it is dedicated to local deity Baba Kaliveer ji.
So you love watching Hindi web series?
Yes, sir.
Which platforms do you use?
So mostly, I have subscriptions. I borrow subscriptions from my friends. So mostly the web series I see, I am on IMDb, it has high rating. I usually watch all. And recently I saw Family Man.
Very good. So what is Family Man about?
Sir, it is about the local NIA agent, how he strives to balance his own life, and at the same time how he tries to ensure the security of the nation.
Very good. Do you think there is need to regulate, so these days they are releasing movies on these over the top platforms, OTT platforms they are releasing. There is no censor board also. How will this go on? Should we not regulate it?
Sir, recent IIT guidelines that have been brought by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting have brought a regulating structure which is hybrid of self-regulation and government intervention. So from now they will be regulated.
I am not aware of this, Suchita. I thought that it is only for intermediaries such as these big companies such as Twitter and Facebook. So how is it going to regulate, say, Netflix content?
Sir, first of all, it has established 3 categories, 5 categories for content to be released. It is universal, 7 plus, 13 plus, 16 plus, and 18 plus.
Suchita, can you slow down a little? I am not able to follow you.
Sir, it has actually 5 categories. First is universal, another is 7 plus, 13 plus, 16 plus, and 18 plus. So these all will be the categories. For 13 plus category, we will have a parental lock. So for that, parents' guidance is must required. And so we have grievance redressal mechanism. So the mechanism also have 3-tier structure. First at the level of OTT platform, that is, if it is Netflix will provide that officers for the regulation. Another is second tier mechanism that will be headed by the judge of Supreme Court. And lastly, the third tier mechanism, it consists of ministerial committee that will it will be guided, it will regulate the OTT platforms.
So in your opinion, we should regulate it?
Sir, I think it is an ever evolving process. We have gone for self-regulation, and OTT has just made this foothold in India, and let's see how the things evolve, and accordingly our governance and our regulating system will also evolve.
So recently the leaders of Jammu and Kashmir have met and said that let us go back to the state model, right?
Yes.
A union territory is not feasible. What is your opinion on this?
The past systems have not worked well, so that was the reason the state was degraded into the union territory and was also bifurcated.
Would you use the word degraded?
Yes, sir, it was downgraded. Status was downgraded.
So will it have less access to funds or any other support from the government now?
Sir, in case of support, I think there will be no change, or it will have more funds from the central government. It is actually for the representation and the powers that state legislative assembly will get. So in that case, I said that the status has been degraded. And sir, it is better to have state than union territory, but the condition of the state will improve. The Honorable Prime Minister and
why saffron is, we used to hear since childhood that it is paradise on earth, and saffron cultivation and all those things used to happen. Why we are not able to use tourism, saffron cultivation, etc. to make the state a rich state?
Sir, I think that saffron cultivation is going on specifically in Pampore area of the Pulwama district, and it has been under cultivation by the farmers. But I think we need more funds, more technology, more inroads to the valley. It will help in, we need to form cooperatives. We need to have more focus and attention.
What is the current status? Can an outside person buy land in Kashmir Valley?
So the recent guidelines which have been released, they say that the person from outside can buy land. If non-agriculture person wants to buy land, he can buy the land which is not used for agriculture. And if agriculturist from outside want to buy land, he has to buy it from any of the person, either it be agriculturist or it will be non-agriculturist.
Let us say you are made a district collector.
Yes, sir.
What would be your priorities?
So my major priority will be towards rural areas, as I hail from rural background. My first priority will be to establish micro processing centers, food processing centers, in order to reduce the wastage of that crops. My focus will also be towards the formation of the FPOs in order to strengthen the farmers and to achieve the economies of scale. Cold storages and refrigeration will also be the
I
another
will
area.
make you district collector of South Delhi. Then we will try to do all these things.
Sir, I think the priorities will change, but I need to study about the South Delhi. Then, sir, I can better tell about. I'm not aware of South Delhi.
Suchitar, recently this great Indian bustard was in news.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard of it?
Yes, sir.
What sort of animal is it?
Sir, great animal bustard is a bird that is critically endangered and particularly found in Rajasthan.
Its population is declining. Why is it declining?
So the one reason that was in current affairs, it was due to the high voltage lines. The bustards are usually colliding with these lines and are usually falling down. It has also led to decrease in the population. And another reason is that the Arabs, or we can say from people from Saudi Arabia, buy licenses and try to shoot them in Pakistan. So Pakistan factor is also there, where these Arab people are coming and shooting it for the leisure, and Pakistan is distributing licenses. So sir, it has also led to the fall in population of Great Indian Bustard.
What do you understand by rule of law and rule by law?
So rule of law means the law will prevail, and rule by law means, sir, I'm not at this moment. I will not be able to draw lines between both of them.
In India, what do we have? We have rule of law, or we have rule by law, or we have both?
So I think I have read in polity we have rule of law.
What do you think are some qualities that a leader must have?
So he must be dedicated. He must have infallible will to achieve the goal. He must have dignity for labor. He must have discipline, and he must know the problems the masses face.
Do you have any of these? Which of these qualities do you think you have?
Sir, I think I have dignity for labor. I have infallible will to achieve goal. Sir, I feel that I am disciplined, and sir, I feel.
You have
I-
all the qualities of the leadership that you have mentioned.
Sir, I think that the qualities which I mentioned are some of my own qualities.
Can you tell me any instance from your life where you have shown any of these leadership qualities?
So during my school time, we usually have school tournaments, inter-school tournaments. So I remember the incident when a basketball match was being played between our school and the school that was of our opponent school. So our team was quite losing. We have points around. Our team have around 13 points and they have 25 points. The morale was quite low. So at that moment, I was head boy of the school, and I also apprised the team that need not to worry, you have to give your best and you can do it. And sir, finally we won that match and we won the tournament.
Who's more important for the country, teacher or IAS officer?
So I'm not be able to choose between both of them, because both have their separate domains and both have their separate role to be played.
So still, who's more important?
Teacher is more important. Sir, if the right knowledge will come from the teachers, definitely we will have automatically good administrators. People will know about the conditions of the society and they will better perform those the roles.
What is more important, road or internet?
So for me, the road is more important.
Why do you want to come for civil service, Suchitar?
So I think it has high social status, it has social prestige, offer wide opportunities, and sir, my personal liking for it.
That's all, your interview is over, Suchitar.
Yes.